Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to use a tool, a very good tool, free tool to tell you what state your hard drive is in. Your hard drive is obviously here, the C drive, local C drive, and it will tell you exactly, give you a quick heads up on your drives, the state of the drive, whether it's healthy or bad. So first of all, type in Crystal Disk Info, and this will show you where to download it. So if you click on this one here, download, it should take you to it, but I've actually already done that. So if I go to download and folder where it's saved, double click on that, click on yes. This will install this into my computer. Next, and install. So this will give you three states. For example, if your hard drive is good, it will be blue. If your hard drive is bad, it will be red. If it's got pending relocated sector count, it will be yellow. So it give you one of three states. Click on finish. Save to my desktop. Click on Crystal Disk Info. Click on yes. Wherever it's load up, here it is. So yeah, straight away, took literally seconds, and it's told me the state of my drive, which is good, 93%. So it's a very healthy drive. It is a solid state drive, so it should be always less prone to defects. But yeah, there's a couple of drives, then it will be next to it, so you just select the one that you want. But yeah, all's good. So that is how you do it very quickly, and I hope this video has helped you. Please like, subscribe and comment if need be. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.